Now that your setup is operational in OBS, let's take a look at the settings page to dial in the experience for both you and your fans. First, you have dashboard audio alerts. Toggle this on if you want to hear a ping on your dashboard whenever a tip comes in. It's a great way to stay alerted even if you aren't looking at your feed. Under overlay configuration, you can manage what your audience hears. You can toggle the overlay sounds on or off and even hit the play icon to hear exactly what that high impact audio ping sounds like. As I promised earlier, here is where you can swap your card layout styles. We built these for different types of creators. Cinema is full width and high impact, perfect for just chatting streams where community support is the main event. Compact gives you a neat, fixed width card that sits perfectly in the corner for casual gaming. And for competitive gamers, Minimal strips away the background for a clean, transparent look that won't block your HUD. You can also change exactly where your alerts appear on stream. Just click any point on this 9-point grid to move your overlay instantly. No need to drag things around in OBS. In Payout settings, you have total control over your limits. You can set a minimum tip amount to prevent spam and a maximum limit to protect yourself against high-value mistakes or potential fraud. Below that, you'll see your payout status. Since we're still in studio mode, this is marked as inactive. We've included a direct Open Stripe dashboard button here so you can jump straight into your Stripe account to manage your bank details or tax forms with just one click. And finally, we have the danger zone. We hope you never need it, but you can log out or permanently delete your account here. We even require a manual confirmation to ensure nothing happens by accident. Everything looks perfect. In our final video, we're going to link your Stripe account and get you paid. I'll see you there.